Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love customizing your Notion workspace, today I'll show you how to add animated icons to your Notion pages. Super easy, looks clean, and gives your dashboard that extra pop. Animated icons are a level up from GIFs. They're lighter, loop smoothly, and look way more polished. Let's see how it's done. So here's a sample page I set up. You can see I've got a GIF sticker as the main page icon and a GIF as the page cover. But if you look at these sub-pages like cardio class and boxing class, I'm actually using animated icons from Lordicon. And notice how seamless and neat they look compared to the standard GIF. Let's quickly walk through how to add a GIF sticker as your page icon. First, create a new Notion page. Click Add Icon, then Custom, and upload a GIF sticker from your computer. If you want to see the full step-by-step, check out my earlier video, How to Add Icons in Notion. I'll link it in the cards above. Here's something new. Did you know you can also add a GIF as your page cover? Just click Change Cover, upload a GIF, and it'll animate at the top of your page. For a full guide on custom covers, I have also linked a video at the top. Click to watch how you can add a custom cover image to your Notion page. Now for the real upgrade. Let's add a custom animated icon using Lordicon. Let's create a new page. I'll call it Static Workout Class. But this time, let's get our animated icon from Lordicon. Here's how. Go to Lordicon.com. If you don't have an account, just sign up for free. Once you're in, you'll see a huge library of animated icons. For personal use, the free account is all you need. It has over 8,500 free icons with no watermark. You can search for any icon you like. Let's type workout and filter by free icons. Now, click on an icon you want. On the right, you can customize the icon's colors, stroke size, and choose the animation style. When you're ready, hit Download and select GIF with transparent background. Back in Notion, click Add Icon, then Custom, then upload this GIF as your page icon. See how smooth it looks. Lightweight, professional, and it blends in much more natively than the meme GIFs. And that's it. You now know 3 ways to make your Notion pages stand out, with GIF stickers, animated covers, and custom animated icons. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Notion tips. And if you want to see step-by-step guides on adding static icons or custom cover images, check out the links in the YouTube cards or description. Try this out on your own pages and let me know in the comments if you find a cool animated icon.